I'm Namrata. I'm a retail professional. I'm greatly thankful to Preetham sir, Vinay sir, and whole ISTD for arranging this program, because this is a game changer for me, because this concept can be used in your daily life, whether you're it's in decision making, or your phobias, or day to day disappointment. Any state of mind can be cured through this program. And uh, thank you for providing such clear and detailed knowledge of these concepts with demonstration for this effective learning, which I'm going to carry with myself. In fact, I have already started applying it. On day second, I actually started applying it, and I myself can see those little tweaks in my subconscious mind is bringing out a very positive perspective about things, especially the ones which were a little challenging for me, but now I have overcome that already. So with constant practice, it will also, I like to assist others as well. So thank you so much for this opportunity. I had a germophobia, but these 4 days after that, I could confidently face it, and now I can say that this has left the building. The best takeaway of this program is that it answers the how. We know we should not do it, but this is the only program which answers how thing, and with little tweaks in your subconscious mind, you can bring in a very new perspective of life. So thank you so much. It has been very insightful, and I will surely practice. In fact, I would like to teach this to others as well. Thank you.